Take a deep breath. If the air in your home is musty or stale, you might have a problem. But here's the bad news. Even if your air smells fresh and clean, you still might have a problem. The truth is, even if your home is brand new and spotlessly clean, your home and family may be suffering from indoor air pollution. That's right, indoor air pollution in the form of airborne mold, bacteria, viruses, and fungi can be affecting your quality of life. The symptoms can include sneezing, stuffiness, coughing, chronic illness, even asthma. The Environmental Protection Agency says that indoor air pollution is one of the top 5 healthcare risks in America, and the air in your home can be up to 100 times more polluted than outdoor air. How can this be? Ever since the energy crisis of the late 1970s, Americans have taken extra measures to make our homes more energy efficient, more airtight. We've added moisture barriers, insulation, caulking, and virtually wrapped our homes in plastic, all in an effort to keep the cold out and heat in. When homes are wrapped that tightly, they also keep the stale air in and the fresh air out. And stale air can mean air filled with mold, bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It's not just air that smells bad, it's air that can be bad for you and your family. Deodorizers make the air smell better, but they only mask the real problem. And these spray-type air sanitizers only work where and when you spray them. Some products generate ozone to cover up odors. Ozone may smell good, but it's not good for your family. According to the EPA, ozone can be harmful to your health. When inhaled, ozone can damage the lungs. Relatively low amounts of ozone can cause chest pain, coughing, shortness of breath, and throat irritation. Ozone can also compromise your ability to fight respiratory infections. Leading tower models like this one don't have fans and aren't capable of moving enough air to be effective. Even if the models include UV germicidal protection, they are minimally effective. Filters are good at collecting dust, pollen, animal dander, and the like, but even high-efficiency filters can't stop tiny microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, or mold. So what can you do to protect your family? How do you make your indoor air safe? One way is to use the purifying power of the sun. You see, ultraviolet light can destroy airborne microorganisms. It can also kill surface mold that can grow on the inside of your air conditioning system. Ultraviolet light, nature's air purifier, is invisible to the naked eye. You've seen the way mold grows on the dark, shaded areas outside your home. In the absence of ultraviolet light, airborne microorganisms like mold, bacteria, viruses, and fungi can grow the same way inside your home. So how can you bring ultraviolet light into your home and reduce indoor air pollution? We recommend UV air in combination with a high-quality filter. Filters trap dust, pollen, and many allergens. Microorganisms that are small enough to slip through the filter are zapped by the ultraviolet light of UV air. UV air induct models purify air as it flows through your heating and cooling system. Silently, effectively, 24 hours a day, the UV air turns your heating and cooling system into a whole house air purifier. UV air utilizes a high output germicidal lamp that creates a UV treatment zone inside your air duct. As microorganisms pass through this zone, they are zapped with UV rays. Since the air in the typical home is recirculated 50 to 75 times per day, these airborne trespassers are reduced and eliminated. In addition to airborne mold, UV air also attacks mold on air conditioning coils, in drain pans, and inside ductwork. When properly installed over the air conditioning coil, the UV air can also destroy this surface mold. For homes without ductwork and for extra protection, the UV air is available in 2 portable models that combine odor and dust reducing filtration with the germicidal power of ultraviolet light. If your family is especially susceptible to illness and allergies, we recommend a UV 500 in the living room and bedrooms and an Induct model to ensure pure air throughout your entire home. Ask your heating and air professional for more information about UV Air. He'll help you choose the UV Air solution that's best for you and your family. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about how UV Air can help your family breathe a little easier. For more information, visit us online at fieldcontrols.com. In Chapter 2 of this DVD, you'll hear directly from people who have tried UV Air. Chapter 3 lists all of our models. Chapter 4 includes testing information. Thanks again for your interest in UV Air.